face it that during this lockdown and the super busy schedule that we all have because of the work from home and also all the work at home, that has left us with little or absolutely no time to pamper ourselves or even groom ourselves. And whatever time we do have, let's confess it, we only focus on taking care of our face. And the most neglected part of our body is the feet. So in this video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide if you wish to groom your feet and also pamper yourself, not just to make it look very nice and presentable, also give you a feel-good factor, but also we should not negate the fact that the feet has very important and vital nerves that are very essential for the optimum functioning of the whole body. So let's get started with a quick DIY home pedicure that I'm going to take you through step-by-step guide to pamper your feet, groom your feet amongst this lockdown when we have zero access to the salons. So amongst all the things that we require, let me show you. We require the moisturizer, we require the nail polish remover, we require some cotton buds, pumice stone, nail cutter, there is a cuticle pusher, there is nail buffer, there is nail filer, nail polish, and there is this scrub that I'm going to use, which has got this brown sugar, coconut brown sugar, and also honey. Also, I'm not going to be soaking my feet as they do it in the salons, or you'll see it in most of the videos. So I would like to do this procedure right after my shower because we all are already time pressed. We have absolutely no time. So immediately after the shower, the feet is like really soft and you know, like right after warm shower, it is well prepared to pamper. So first step, guys, is to take a cotton bud and remove any of your previous nail polish that you have applied. So I'm going to be doing that. Try to use a nail polish remover which is acetone free. Now you guys can see I've already removed the nail color, and if you have very long nails, then you can cut them short using a nail cutter. I have already short nails, and also use a nail filer to give your nails a desired shape. I have already done that, so that is the next step. And now we're going to move on to make our scrub. So for the scrub, I'm using this coconut brown sugar, 1 spoon, and I'm also going to be mixing some honey to this and making a scrub. If your feet is very dark and it looks black, then you can also use lemon to this scrub and just mix it. And now we're going to be using a towel to place underneath my feet, and I'm going to be applying this scrub on my feet. So let's start. So guys, I'm going to be taking little bit of scrub. This is also very good for exfoliating the dead skin from your feet, and I'm going to be applying all over my feet on the top part and also on the down part like this. That's where the dead skin of the feet actually is. With my both the hands, and like kind of give it a nice massage. Honey is extremely good for moisturizing and also has antifungal and anti-inflammatory properties. It soothes the feet and also removes any kind of pains also if you have, and excellent for moisturizing the other feet. Apply it all over your feet underneath like this, especially on this heel area, which tends to crack a lot for many women due to extreme dryness. Our feet also has very less sebaceous gland, so that means the oil secretion in the feet is extremely low, so that's why we need to moisturize it extra to keep it hydrated and prevent from cracking or drying. So now I'm taking this pumice stone. Why I like to use a pumice stone which is like quite fairly used, so it becomes very gentle and is not extremely harsh on the skin. So mine is like really in a fairly good condition, and then I apply where I feel that the dead skin is a lot, and there are like, you know, little bit calluses also. Formation happens on the side of the big toe, all over the heel area. So like this, I'm going to be applying it, scrubbing very gently. You can use circular strokes, especially on the heel area. This is extremely important, and also on the top part. And then I wash my feet with just plain water, and it is unbelievable that how soft. I'm not kidding, my hands are actually slipping off my feet. So you take a fresh towel and then you just pat dry. Do not scrub, just pat dry your feet. It is really soft, guys. I must tell you that this is the only magical thing that I do instead of 100 procedures. Super soft. And now let's apply the moisturizer. So you can take any moisturizer you like. I'm using this cocoa body butter. You can actually apply specific foot cream also, and really my feet actually feels like butter at this point of time. And then just gently try to massage the cream into your feet. Give it time. Massage. And then we're going to take the cuticle pusher and just gently wipe out any dead skin that we have on the sides. You can see I have some dead skin. It's very easy to remove with this cuticle pusher. If you don't have it, you can even apply the pumice stone when you're doing the scrub on the sides of your nail beds. Super easy to use this, and when your skin is nicely exfoliated, the dead skin anyway comes off very easily. I'm going to do that on the other side. Just scrape off the dead skin. After removing the dead cuticles, we will take some cotton and we're going to take some remover and just remove the extra moisturizer from the nails so that we can apply our favorite nail color. And if you don't wish to apply the nail color, you can simply buff your nails with this buffer. And I'm going to be applying the nail color now. So shake the nail color a little bit and then start the application, and we're going to apply 2 coats in each nail after the first coat dries up. So that's how I'm going to start, like that. So guys, now my feet is dry and I'm going to apply one more coat of my favorite moisturizer, which has this amazing fragrance. So I also suggest that you apply a moisturizer which has very nice soothing fragrance so that you can take a power nap after your self-pampering session. So I'm taking this moisturizer, liberal helping of it, and once my nail polish has dried, I'm going to apply one more coat of this moisturizer on both my feet, and my feet is ready for taking a power nap. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments that what are the other kind of videos you would like to watch, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay safe, stay home. I love you guys.